Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and today I want to show you one of the things that you can do at home or actually even at work that will protect your back. I want to show you why is it better to push rather than to pull a heavy object. So for example, I have a table like this. So let's say this, for example, this is a heavy table or a heavy object. So what you would want to do to move it is you want to push rather than to pull it. Why? Is because when you're pushing, you're going to be pushing with all your body weight and you're going to be leaning on it. So it's safer for your joints and your muscles. You don't have to work as hard because you're using your weight. So for example, I have a big stride like this, so I can use my leg muscles, which are bigger muscles than my arms, to actually just push this way, all right? As compared to, if I'm going to pull this way, right? I'm using my arms, but not only that, I'm actually using my back muscles, which in most people is not as strong, right? The back muscles will not be as strong as your legs. So you're leaning back, you're using your back muscles, and what will happen is you can easily, if it's too heavy, you can easily strain your back and you can just pull your back, and then next thing you know, you have a disc herniation or bulging disc, and so on and so forth. So definitely, if you want to move something, you would want to be able to push rather than to pull an object. All right. I hope you learned something good for today. And if you like this video, feel free to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.